Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will talk about what is a solutions architect. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is a solutions architect? A solutions architect is a professional who designs and oversees the development of technology solutions to address specific business problems or meet particular organizational needs. They play a crucial role in bridging the gap between business requirements and technical implementation. The primary responsibilities of a solutions architect include: number one, understanding business requirements. Solutions architects work closely with stakeholders, including clients, business managers, and project managers, to gather detailed information about organizations' goals, challenges, and desired outcomes. Number two, designing solutions. Based on the gathered information, the solutions architect creates comprehensive technical plans and system architectures that outline how the proposed solution will be developed and deployed. They consider factors like scalability, security, performance, integration, and cost effectiveness. Number three, technology evaluation. Solutions architects assess various technologies and solution and software platforms to determine the best fit for the project. They evaluate available tools, frameworks, and services to ensure they align with the project requirements. Number four, collaboration with development teams. Solutions architects work closely with solution developers, software developers, engineers, and other IT professionals to communicate the technical vision and ensure the proper implementation of the solution. Number five, problem solving and troubleshooting. Throughout the development process, solutions architects identify and resolve potential technical challenges and issues that may arise. Number six, documentation. They create and maintain comprehensive documentation including system architecture diagrams, technical specifications, and user manuals to aid in the development and understanding of the solution. Number seven, compliance and security. Solutions architects ensure that the proposed solution complies with industry standards, regulations, and best practices. They also implement appropriate security measures to safeguard data and systems. Number 8, project management. While solutions architects are not typically responsible for project management, they may collaborate closely with project managers to ensure that the technical aspects of the solution align with the project's timeline and objectives. Number 9, continuous improvement. After the deployment of the solution, solutions architects may monitor its performance and gather feedback to identify areas of improvement and optimization. In summary, a solutions architect is a critical role in the IT industry responsible for designing robust and effective technology solutions that align with business goals and requirements. Their expertise ensures that the implemented solutions are scalable, secure, and meet the needs of the organization. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report about what is a solutions architect is all about. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.